everybody, here today's shoutouts. Hi guys, today we're gonna be playing fidget trading 3D. There's a bunch of cool games like Pop-It, fidget trading, and a bunch more fidget toys. Come on, let's get into it. First, we have the Pop-It fidget toy. We pass the level. Every time you do something, you pass the level. Like this satisfying thing is also super satisfying and fun. It's really fun, and I just love this game. Right back. I don't want to get copyrighted. Okay, so now playing fidget trading. This one. Okay, when I'm offering a tech, I will just offer a mini Pop-It. Rubik's Cube, but I want more. And I'll add two. He just got scammed. Get scammed. So now there's this weird thing where I have to take off all the stripes. Oh, we get it. Oh, it's a present. Next level. I will these fidget trades right back. Okay, yeah, the game's off. Ooh, okay. This Rubik's Cube. I want him to add. Get scammed. He offered more things. Okay. Okay, yeah. I don't think you should download misplay. Okay, yeah, so yeah. I love this Pop-It dimple. I'll rate that 10 out of 10. Perfect. Pass level. Oh, I'm gonna try to scam them. Earbuds, but I want no. You add. No. Except no. About to get a phone and more fidget toys. Pop fidget. So yeah, this was a 2 out of 10. I don't know why Pop-It's on game. Oh, making ice cream. Okay, well we add that first, then the yellow, then the green, then the orange, then the orange. So yeah, we're gonna. Oh wait, what? Okay, fidget tray. No, I don't want to make money. I want to be poor. Then, if I had a choice to be poor, to be rich, or hate God, and if you said rich, you would have been hating God. I want to be poor. Off a mini Pop-It. Add. No. Yeah, that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.